Hi everyone, welcome to the iPhone tutorial on how to put a reel in your Instagram. So in your phone, look for the Instagram app and press it. Once you're in there, in your Instagram, you are going to press the plus sign. And once you're in there, you're going to press Reels. Once you're in your Reels, you're going to press the recents to change it. As you can see, I changed mine to my favorites and pressed my favorites video. You press the next blue button below. And there you're going to press the smiley face sticker to find closed captioning. And there you're going to find it's blue and white. That's our CC captions, and you press it. It will transcribe what you say and create captions. You can also shrink it or make it bigger, put it somewhere you want to be able to see it and not be covered. You can also change the color of your captions. You can also change the shading of your captions. As you can see, I change it from pink. You can swipe the colors over and get brown. You can swipe the colors and get a different one. Once you are done, you can write in your caption what the video is about. You can also tag people who are part of it or who would benefit from this video. You can also tag shops and products that you have. When you press add a message, you can also have an automatic post when someone talks on your chat. And then there's all the topics you can pick from part of your video. You can also select a place, it may be your hometown, or it may be somewhere international to gain more views. You can also add a reminder to those who want to see details about the event. You can look through your list and find a nonprofit for a fundraiser or connect your Facebook to your Instagram.